Today, I'll walk you through how to chat with Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to engage with Notion's AI features so you can enhance your productivity and streamline your tasks. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. You'll want to look for the New button, which is typically located at the top left of your workspace. This button is your gateway to creating new content. Once you click on the New button, a menu will appear with various options. Here, you should choose Chat. This option allows you to engage directly with Notion's AI capabilities. After selecting Chat, a new screen will pop up. You'll see a box that says Do anything with AI. This is where the magic happens. Now you can type anything you want to chat about in that box. Whether you need help organizing your tasks, brainstorming ideas, or even drafting content, Notion's AI is here to assist you. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion frequently updates its interface, but the core functionalities remain the same. Just follow along and you'll be chatting with Notion in no time. To recap, we started by clicking the New button, then selected Chat, and finally we typed our queries into the AI box. Engaging with Notion's AI can significantly enhance your workflow, making it easier to manage your projects and ideas. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.